tell you more about that in just about 7 minutes. He's getting a little help from Demi Lovato on this track.
Hey, Kathleen, how do you open it the other way?
Is without a fight in the new country. Can get 92.
Yeah, show us that.
Are you just going to grab it right here, this little handle, and open it on up? There you go. And then right over here, you're just going to open up the storage.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. And everything you need.
Look how deep this is, folks. I mean, you could put a ton of ice back here, your cooler, whatever you want. Tons of storage. And then you got your music playing back here in the back of the truck. I mean, this is nice. Yeah, all right.
Right there on the side, as you open this compartment, you'll find an outlet, and you can plug it in.
We'll throw that back in there. You good?
Locks up for you. You can hide all your goodies in there and lock it in.
Nice. I close that back. Let's. You looking good. That's the Honda Ridgeline, folks. Right here downtown Charleston. Beautiful truck. All right, I think we're good right here. Now, just now this lady walks by. I mean, we're in downtown Charleston, and she bought a car from Miss Kathleen. And now she's checking out the Ridgeline. What do you think about it? It's nice. It is. Definitely is. There you go. That's what Charleston's all about, folks. That's why we locally own and operated. And it's just a great company, Stokes Automotive. Been servicing the Carolinas for a very long time now. I mean, look at that feature right there. That is cool. Wowee. People really get into this stuff. I mean,
You can put ribs off that and plug it in, and then you're playing your music over the sides here. Is that not fun?
that is fun in the summer sun.
And this here. This is the only black one. We have a few more different colors, but this is the only black edition, which is a trim on. It's so nice to run into you. Yeah, yeah. Hope you're enjoying your car.
Yeah, I am.
Enjoy Charleston for the day. It's beautiful.
Yeah.